these gateway gifts. And I'm not sure, is this or the camera center is supposed to be permanently closing down or changing to something else. So I wanted to film them. Oh, they're changing like Epcot, you never know. I just did the camera center across the way, which is right under Spaceship Earth. It's right on the other side of this. So I'm now going to film gateway gifts. Come inside and look. There's all the standard stuff. I'm going to show some different prices and things like that. It's basically identical to the other side, except with the merchandise and stuff. I'm talking about like the design. Oh, they definitely have very colorful backpacks. See, these are... Oh boy, these are $90. Expensive. They're pink, purple, and gold colored. Of course, there's some other things to match. This is $25. Ooh. Then they have some Mickey ears. You want some different colors. And these are... It's not have the price, but I'm sure that's not cheap. Of course, they have some of the different drinks and the fan thing with the bottle. Different sunglasses. $14.99, $19.99, and $26.99. So they have reading glasses too that you can buy.
Starting to walk away.
What do you do with that?
Pretty cool. Of course, they have different snacks and treats. Yeah. Goofy candies, always good. There's some nice cotton candy. Definitely expensive. Of course, all the standard keychains. Here's the prices with the colors. So red, so this one would be, there's like a confetti inside. That's $9.99. You have different letters for your name. These are cool. Mint, so whatever the mint price was, that's how much that is. Let's start over here. Ooh, look at some of these Mickey hats. I didn't know they had so many different kinds. This one here, that's $19.99. Have one for the different countries. Shiny ears. I bet you, yep, $19.99. So I bet you they're going to be generally all that. Here's Star Wars. Yep, Star Wars is more money, $24.99. That for Chewie. Here's Yoda. I'm probably saying, yep, Yoda. $19.99. So he's a little bit cheaper. Here's some Goofy hats. That's cool. Now this is $24.99. Then if you want a Mickey one, or like you're going to college, $24.99. And they have lots and lots of cool mugs. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. That is $20. Look at this one. I like the color. $19.99 is $20, like the other one.
Who's going to?
I'm going to show you a few more things and I got to get going. This does not have the price, but this is for Toy Story. That's cool. Put on your head. Buzz Lightyear one. That's awesome. I always like Buzz. Which, I'm not sure how much that is either. Some of these just don't have the prices. Of course, they have a lot of stuffy animals. More mugs on this side.
Maybe have some pens.
Well, if you like purple, there definitely lots of figurine stuff. No, I speak phone again. That's $34.99. That's pretty. Of course, more Figment ears. There's these, what is it? I think these were the golden ones. They were like a big rage not that long ago. They were hard to find. Of course, they have some attachments. If you want to buy it. $24.99 for that shirt. Nice. That's cool. Be interested to know they have my size, and they do. You'd be surprised how many times they do not have my size in t-shirts. Okay, this is a real quick walkthrough. If you want to know anything more specific, let me know. See this hat, $27.99. And of course they have more hats over here.
Oh, there he is. Oh, you guys are trapped.
Of course they have sun cream, all the autograph books you get signed by the characters, and just a general Disney stuff. Look at this little bag. Look how cute that is. With a bite in it. That is $19.99, so expensive. But we're at Disney. Okay, any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon. Bye, everybody. Bye.